Who can resist the sweet allure of a freshly baked cake? Stepping into a cake shop is like entering a world of joy and indulgence, where every treat promises not just a delicious bite, but a delightful experience. At Coco Finance, we understand the magic of a good confectionery, and today, we're going to show you how to capture that enchantment in your own cake shop. Let's put on our entrepreneurial hats and dive into a journey that's sweet in more ways than one. Starting your cake shop is akin to baking the perfect cake, requiring patience, attention to detail, and the right blend of ingredients for success. First and foremost, a solid business plan is essential. Without it, you're simply mixing hopeful strategies without a recipe. Begin with thorough market research to sift through the current trends, understand your competition, and pinpoint what the local palate desires. Is there a gap for unique, perhaps allergen-free or exclusively organic, cakes? Identifying this can significantly differentiate your shop from the rest. As you refine your concept, start piecing together your business plan. This blueprint will outline everything from your shop structure and initial costs to pricing strategies and marketing techniques. It's the roadmap that will navigate your venture from a mere idea to a profitable enterprise. Quality ingredients and reliable equipment are the backbones of your operation. They not only enhance the flavor and appearance of your cakes, but also ensure consistency and customer satisfaction, crucial for establishing a loyal customer base and justifying premium prices. Also, the right branding is more than just icing on the cake. Your brand identity, from the logo and interior design to employee uniforms and packaging, should reflect quality and allure customers, both in person and online. Don't underestimate the power of social media and local marketing strategies to amplify your presence. Utilize platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your bakery's creations, engage with customers, and highlight special promotions. Participating in community events or collaborating with other local businesses can also increase your shop's visibility and attract more customers. Consider a soft launch to finesse your menu and offerings based on real customer feedback. This can be an invaluable step in adjusting your recipes, tweaking prices, and perfecting presentation styles, ensuring you meet customer expectations right from the start. Exceptional customer service and meticulous financial management are the final ingredients to your cake shop's success. Train your staff to provide friendly and efficient service, creating memorable experiences that encourage repeat visits. Keep a strict ledger from day one, regularly reviewing your expenses and profits to adjust business strategies and foster growth. As your cake shop flourishes, explore new opportunities to expand your offerings. This could mean introducing baking classes, expanding your menu to include seasonal treats, or catering for special events, which can open up additional revenue streams. Opening a cake shop is a deliciously rewarding venture that blends creativity with culinary expertise. We at Coco Finance are excited to help you turn your passion for baking into a thriving business. Preheat your entrepreneurial spirit and get ready to whip up a storm of success. Thank you for joining Coco Finance, where we're dedicated to helping you build your financial future, one sweet step at a time. Eager to start your cake shop adventure? Let's make it happen. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or share your thoughts about today's guide.